If the battery is overheated, please wait and continue to use after motor temperature is normal. If there is a state of roller brush stuck, clean the roller brush. The correct operation is collect the data cables and wired headphones in the house to avoid getting involved in the vacuum cleaner before using it. If the air duct becomes blocked, check whether the dust compartment extension rod and smart multi-brush bar are blocked, and to make sure, clean the air duct in time. If error appears in the display, please contact our after-sales service personnel for maintenance. The vacuum cleaner's cleaning ability will be reduced if the dust compartment is filled to the max mark. Press the dust compartment bottom cover release button, then empty the contents. Push the dust compartment release switch in the direction indicated by the arrow. Then gently remove the dust compartment from the vacuum cleaner. Remove the pre-filter first, then lift the handle of the cyclone assembly and turn to counterclockwise until it stops. Then pull to lift out the cyclone assembly. Rinse the pre-filter and dust compartment until they are clean. After washing, air dry for at least 24 hours. Remove the pre-filter first, then lift the handle of the cyclone assembly and turn to counterclockwise until it stops. Then pull to lift out the cyclone assembly. Rinse the cyclone assembly until it is clean. After washing, air dry for at least 24 hours.